How's it going, everyone? It's GadgetsBoy, and in my hands I have the new Google Pixel 3a XL and the Google Pixel 3a XL official case as well, because every time I've always had a Google phone, I always end up smashing them. So it was a good idea to actually get a case this time and get it safe and secure. But without further ado, we're going to unbox this and see what's new, see what it's all about, and maybe even draw some comparison with the Google Pixel 3 XL phone as well that I have. Let's get on with it.
The Google Pixel 3a XL is designed to be that smartphone that you can get for less than the price of the flagship Google Pixel 3. It's got a polycarbonate unit body, and there's a lot of it that's very similar. So when you pick one of these up or when you use it out and about, it's going to be hard for people to actually differentiate between a Google Pixel 3 and the Google Pixel 3a or the Pixel 3a XL. Mouthful there. So as I mentioned earlier, it's a polycarbonate unibody, and in the box you get the phone itself, you get your warranty information, quick start guide, a SIM ejector tool, and you get that Team Pixel stickers as well, so you can stick it on your laptop or whatever you wish to do so. You also get USB-C cable for charging and data transfer, a USB to USB-C adapter for quick phone transfer between a new phone and a old phone if you really need to do so. A 3-pin 18 watts charging brick will be in there as well. Onto the case itself, so this is the official case that you'd get if you buy one. It's very similar to what we had last year with a fabric finishing, colourful power button, and all the cutout needed to access things like your fingerprint sensor and the camera, etc., and the charging ports. Inside of it though, it's very nice and soft, so you won't scratch your phone, so you rest assured your phone is nice and secure, safe inside of the case. Onto the device itself, you have a power button and volume rockers on the right side. The power button matches the case color as well, if you notice. And on the bottom, you have the speakers and a USB Type-C port. And up top, there's a 3.5mm headphone port and a microphone. And on the left side is a SIM card tray with no storage expansion slots available here at all. Placing it next to the big brother, the Pixel 3 XL, you notice some differences here and there. You notice that we just have a USB-C port and a SIM card tray on the bottom of the 3XL. There's no 3.5mm headphone port anywhere to be seen. And on the back, we have the fingerprint sensor, the camera. It looks very identical, but what you'll notice is on the 3, between the camera and the flash, there's a sensor there. On the front also, you notice there's no dual camera on the 3a XL, but on the 3XL we have that dual camera, so you can do group selfie and a standard selfie. You also don't get that big speaker grill on the bottom chin on the 3a XL, but you still get that stereo speakers available as well. For the 3a XL specs, you get a 6-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 670 power in it with an Adreno 615 for graphics. You got 4 gigs of RAM with 64 gig of internal storage. Again, you can't expand it. The latest Android 9 Pie is on there as well, so you don't have to worry about that. And that will be updated over the next 3 years if you happen to stick around for that long with this phone. You still have the stereo speakers as mentioned before. You got fast charging and of course a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is a bonus when you're spending this sort of money. For the camera, you get a Sony IMX363 12 megapixel dual pixel rear camera with f1.8 aperture. It looks amazing. You still get that night shot stuff, or night sight rather, just as we've known with the Google Pixel 3 XL and the Google Pixel 3. On the front is an 8 megapixel f2.0 aperture shooter with 84 degrees field of view, so you'll be able to still get a lot of people in it for your selfies. And a couple of new camera features are there as well, like you got time-lapse mode, which means you can quickly take time-lapse videos. And you got photo booth, which is now updated to allow you to capture shots using smiles, so you can just smile at it and take a picture. And a kiss as well, so you can sort of pout or blow a kiss and it recognizes it. Weird flex, but okay. You also get fused stabilization on the rear cameras, and on the front it has a digital video stabilization, so again you don't have to worry about shaky hands when taking videos and photos as well. The Pixel 3a XL has no IP rating, so that means don't be dunking it in water or taking it into shower with you. There's no wireless charging like the Google Pixel 3 XL, unfortunately, and it's lighter than the Google Pixel 3 XL as well. You also get 3700 mAh battery inside, which so far so good for me. I've been using it for the past couple of days and the battery life seems to be really good thanks to an optimized processor and a operating system that's very much so clean and, you know, bloat free. For pricing and availability and what you can get, the Google Pixel 3a will start at £399 and the 3a XL will start at £469. It's available today from places like the Google Store, Carphone Warehouse, EE, Argus, Mobile Phones Direct. And it comes in 3 colors, just black, clearly white. And this new one actually that I haven't mentioned all along is the new one called Purpleish, which is pretty cool. I quite like the color. It's different. It's not fully white. It's not fully purple. It's just purplish.
So that's it for the Google Pixel 3a XL, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Would you still get one? In the meantime, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well. And if you haven't yet, make sure you hit the bell notification so you'll be one of the first people to know every time there's a video on this channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.